Welcome to our guide on fixing Instagram camera problems on your PC. Let's troubleshoot this issue together. Step 1. Begin by refreshing the Instagram web page to ensure the camera function is working correctly. Step 2. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. For detailed instructions, visit your browser's support website. Step 3. If the camera issue persists, log out of Instagram on your desktop and log back in to refresh the connection. Step 4. Consider restarting your device as it can often resolve camera problems. Turn off your device, wait for 30 seconds, and then power it back on. Step 5. If the problem continues, try connecting to a different network or switch to using mobile data to see if the camera works on a different connection. Step 6. For further assistance, don't hesitate to contact Instagram support for specialized help. Step 7. Lastly, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong for optimal camera performance. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the Instagram camera problems on your PC. Stay creative and connected with these simple solutions.